7 things that girls secretly want man to do but won't ask them to. 1. Say no. Girls appreciate someone who is confident and secure enough to respectfully set boundaries when necessary. Firmly saying no with respect shows strength and self-assurance. 2. Make plans. Every girl wants a guy who will be the man and lead with a decision. You can ask her if she has a preference, but don't put the weight of the final decision onto her shoulders. It makes you look weak, chaotic, and apathetic, which aren't attractive traits. 3. Flirt with her. Girls hate nothing more than boredom. They want to be around a man who can keep them engaged and entertained. Flirting is a great way to show that you have the charisma, wit, confidence, and charm of a high-value man. 4. More foreplay. Girls love foreplay because it increases pleasure and anticipation. Taking your time to make her feel special before progressing further can be a real turn-on for most women. 5. Compliment her, not just on how beautiful she looks, but on what you like about her personality. Mention the little things you appreciate about their individual traits. 6. Forehead kisses. It's not a sexual act, but it can still be very powerful. Forehead kisses are tender, loving, and intimate gestures that many girls secretly desire from their men. 7. Give up their jacket. A gentlemanly gesture like giving up your coat when it's cold outside can make a girl melt. Simple gestures like this can make any woman feel special. If you are not follow me, you will never see me again. And if you are congratulation, you growth mentally.